Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. As you guys can see up on the screen today, I wanted to talk a little bit about Communications Systems Incorporated, and that is such a horrible name for a company. I mean, just with that name alone, it sounds like the most generic, like uncreative, just bad name I've ever heard. I mean, the name alone almost makes me want to stay away from the company, stay away from the stock altogether. But we absolutely need to talk about it today because as you guys can see here, this thing was up almost 39% on the day. After hours, it's up almost 6% more. This thing's having a crazy day. And again, when stocks pop like this, when they kind of go crazy in a single day, I mean, 40%, that's a crazy day. People are going to be wondering what's going on. People are going to be, turning that way, figuring out why did this happen? And then also people are curious about what's going to happen in the future. Is this something I can make some money off of? Is this something I should stay away from? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video today. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. We just recently passed 1,000 subscribers. We are now monetized. So I know it's not the most exciting thing in the world for you guys. You might get shown some ads every once in a while now, but it was a very big step for me. I'm very proud of what we've been able to do on this channel in just a couple of short months. I hope the future's bright. I hope even bigger and better things are coming. That would be absolutely awesome. And check out the links in the description below if you're interested in getting some free stocks on Robinhood, on Webull. That would be awesome. With that being said, let's get right into this. I know I didn't mention it at the beginning, but the ticker symbol here is JCS. Again, Communications Systems Incorporated. JCS. Yeah, I don't get the correlation, whatever. This is a very small stock, sitting at $91 million market cap. That's after this big 40% move. So very small stock, one of the smaller ones we've talked about on this channel. And yeah, just kind of like a micro cap stock. It's obviously going to be volatile. It's obviously going to move a bunch. It's going to have big up days. It's going to have big down days. It's also going to be very susceptible to news and rumors and stories coming out because, a smaller amount of shares, a smaller amount of people reacting to the news is going to make it pop up and down a lot. There's less people, holding the shares, not moving them, putting them away for the long term, and more people, probably actively in and out of this one, either trying to make a quick buck, or, trying to snag something for cheap or whatever. Again, this thing closed yesterday. Yesterday at $6.79. Opened up today at 8:30. So already right off the open, it was a big jump up throughout the day. From there, still got another 13%. And then again, after hours, things are still looking good, sitting at about $9.95 after hours now. Obviously, that's on low volume. It's after hours. I wouldn't read too much into that price, but it hasn't tanked yet. Things are not going that bad. The year to date for the stock has been interesting. 2021 has been a good year. Obviously, starting the year at $4.40. Even before this crazy day it had today, the stock was having a very good year, up around 53%. Yes, it's been up, it's been down a little bit, but overall, this is one of the better charts you can really see for stocks in 2021. I mean, it has this, little March blip that a lot of these stocks have, and then it kind of comes crashing down. But honestly, not that bad. 16% down. I mean, there's so many stocks that are 50, 60, 70% down from where they were in February and March, especially the smaller cap stocks. So this one's been pretty stable and pretty consistently just increasing over time. So that does make JCS a little bit interesting. But obviously, what we're wondering is what happened today. Why is this stock up? Here's this article from News Investing Media Company, newsimc.com. I don't know if I've ever heard of this company before, but we'll check it out. Communication Systems Incorporated JCS stock surges following announcement of special dividend. Again, this is them talking about JCS being up as of the market closing on September 13th. This brought the price per share up to $6.79. So this is obviously before things went crazy, but the pre-market fluctuation saw the stock going up 30%, bringing it to $8.86. And obviously the big news again is this special dividend announcement. September 13th, 2021 saw the company's board of directors declare a special dividend of $3.50 per share. That is a very big dividend for a company that is $9.41 per share. I mean, when this was announced, it was $6.79 per share. To be offering a $3.50 special dividend, that is significant. That is a very big deal, obviously. And we'll go on. The dividend will be payable on October 15th to shareholders of JCS. I just spit on my computer a little bit. At the close of the business day on September 30th. So got about 16 days left to, get whatever shares of JCS you're looking at to be able to get the special dividend. It will be funded. The aggregate amount of the special dividend is roughly $34 million. Again, that is also a very, very big deal for a stock that now has a market cap of not even $92 million to be giving a special dividend of what I say, $34 million. That's a big, big deal. That is pretty crazy. Not something you're going to see very often, and probably for good reason. It will be funded from the net proceeds of the sale of the company's transition networks and net to edge businesses. Again, that's cool that they're giving back to shareholders. That's cool that they're trying to make a big story out of this. That's cool that they're getting their company and everything out there a little bit more, and it's cool that they have the money, so they're kind of wanting to do something with it, but could they be doing something better with it? Could this, could this money be put into the business? Could this money be put into marketing, research and development, somewhere else to help grow, scale the company, whatever, rather than just giving it out as a special dividend to, one-time shareholders who are probably just going to buy the stock and then sell it off? I don't think that's the best business decision. If I was long in this stock, this is not necessarily something I want to be seeing. But one thing that is kind of interesting, and we've actually seen in a couple of different stocks throughout the past year, is that special dividends can be a very, very interesting way to burn short sellers. Now, it does seem like everything in this current market, for the past year, ever since GameStop, Madness, AMC, BlackBerry, all of that, everything comes back to short sellers. If you look at the short interest, again, who knows how accurate these numbers are? This is from NASDAQ.com. The short interest on JCS, back in September of 2020, 24,000, 18,000, 16,000, all the way down to as low as 9,000. But things have since started ramping up. How I talked about how they are having such a good January. They're a small company. Obviously, it's going to attract a lot of short sellers, a lot of short interest, and things have been going up and up and up in that regard. Again, from 3,000 shares in February of 2021 to, or the short interest being 3,000 in February of 2021 to 75,000, 100,000, 150,000, 180,000 in August. So this is going up and up and up. And again, a special dividend causing the stock to run up like this, all the way up to, almost $10 at this point, can be a very, very interesting and effective way to burn short sellers, to mess with them, to troll them. It's obviously not something short sellers want to see, especially in the short term. Having to pay out a special dividend, the stock price increasing this rapidly. Again, seeing these 40%. If you're a short seller on JCS, you do not want to wake up to a 40% up day. So that could be a little bit something of what is going on. Again, even if you don't think giving out the special dividend is necessarily the best business idea for JCS, there might be a little bit of ulterior motives or foul play here, but that's just kind of like a conspiracy theory, whatever. But it is a tactic some companies have been known to use in the past, so at least keep that in mind. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about JCS stock. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one, but until then, peace.